Hey everybody, Augie at Switchback Trading, and it's the Asia session, and it's been not much action going on, a little bit. So that was a quick move down. Been a bunch of rangy day, but if you were so inclined to put our measurement tool on this range, right? Okay, so what do you see? That's a high, and that's a low. Perfect. And then what do you see? You see price going sideways as it's slowly trending lower. Or is it? So what just happened now? Right now, it just broke above the 25% reversal level. Okay? Popped up, shot back down. This green dashed line is a previous New York close. Okay? So it's above that now. It's above the New York close. That's bullish. It's above the EMA. It's above this EMA. It's above the 25% retracement. That's bullish. That's a long right there. Get in. Now you may experience some chop, or you may not, but that was the signal right there. Look, 50% retracement hit. Okay. Boom! Smashed that. Like it was fucking nothing. Okay. And then dips back down, normal. Fucking boom! Smashes the fucking 75% reversal level. Fucking straight. This is parabolic. Straight the fuck right up fucking number one's ass. Right fucking straight up there. Boom! Those are fucking 3 boner candles if I've ever seen them. Fucking boner, boner, boner. And then the boner's it's just raining dicks. It's raining dicks up. It's raining hard-ons. That's a hard-on. It's just raining hard-ons. So this is why if you entered with 4 contracts or multiples of 4, right? You enter into the 25%. TP1, TP2, TP3 gets hit. But you leave runners. Why? This is fucking why. This is fucking why. This is fucking why. That's the NQ, okay? The NQ doesn't fuck around, people. It doesn't fuck around. So what my model is doing for you, it's putting you into the new trend as soon as it happens. So this 0 to the 25%, that's if you got in here, that's it's more risky, really more risky, okay? The higher it gets, the more odds that it's a trend, right? Does that make sense? Well, we're not greedy. We take our TP1s, we take our TP2s, we take our TP3s, but you leave a runner in. Stops at break even for fucking days like today, okay? These are the days where fortunes are fucking made and lost, and you want to be on the right side of this. Fucking boner fest. Boner fest. Boners all day long, man. It didn't even, it didn't even fucking it didn't even do a shoulder check, man. It just kept fucking bonering up and up and up. So, yeah, you can get in here. Some fucker got in there. Don't be him, okay? Don't be that guy, okay? Don't be these people here, okay? What you want to be. You want to be a switchback fucking trader. Why? Because this is us, man. That's us. Okay? Look at all these fucking entries. And you didn't take any heat, man. Doesn't get any fucking easier than this. Come on. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? I'm giving it to you on a fucking plate. A silver fucking platter. The SBT model on a silver platter Fuck off with your fucking unicorns and your fucking inversion gaps and your fucking... No. No. Fuck off with that shit. Okay? How many times you shorted the fucking wrong fucking... fair value gap, huh? How many times you short the wrong one or fucking inverted on you or you like... You know what I mean? It's fucking... That's not a magic bullet, even though he says he's got a magic fucking bullet. Nah, this is just a fucking reliable fucking model for range conditions, but then it makes sure you're in for when the fucking trend takes off. Who's got the balls to fucking jump in here anywhere on this fucking boner orgy? I don't, you know. Either you get in when nobody knows about it, right there, or you miss the move. So yeah, switchback trading. Okay, bye.